Breaking at 5, the city of Orlando asking its residents to conserve water.
They say it is to help COVID-19 patients. Anchor Ginger Gadsden is in studio with more on this. Ginger.
Yeah, it sounds crazy, Matt and Lisa. The city and the utility company are pleading with residents to cut back on their water usage for at least the next 2 weeks. They say liquid oxygen is in short supply across the country right now, in part because of hospitals using it to treat record high numbers of coronavirus patients.
Our hospitals are experiencing the highest number of unvaccinated, critically ill patients at this point as any other point during the pandemic. Many of these patients require liquid oxygen for their respiratory treatment. This liquid oxygen is a critical part of the care that hospitals are providing to try to fight the deadly disease and to save lives.
The utility company also uses liquid oxygen to remove odor and color from water. They say irrigation accounts for about 40% of its consumption, and they need to reduce that in the coming days to help conserve its supply. So that's why they're first asking customers to cut back on watering their lawns. OUC anticipates it will receive only half as much liquid oxygen in the coming weeks than it normally uses. Now, News 6 did reach out to our local hospitals about their liquid oxygen supplies. Orlando Health sent us this statement saying it, quote, continues to maintain an adequate supply of liquid oxygen across our network of hospitals and does not anticipate the increased demand having any impact on patient care. Now, officials with Advent Health, Parish Healthcare, and Halifax Health also tell us they have sufficient supplies of oxygen right now. Airgas, the company that supplies liquid oxygen to hospitals, tells News 6 it has experienced a 2- to 3-fold increase in demand from areas facing high rates of COVID-19 hospitalizations. The company adds it's mobilizing all available resources to meet the increasing supply needs.